Annabelle, what are you focusing on now that's going to help ensure a great end of the year for you?
I don't stop. One thing I've learned, and I learned it quickly, is really October, November, December, I have to work really hard. And I make this switch in my brain. I mean, I'll take Thanksgiving off for a couple days, and I take Christmas off, all that stuff.
Really? I don't remember
Yes.
that. I didn't know that.
I do. But I know I have to close transactions in January. I can't let that month go by without closing. And the only way I'm going to assure that is by working hard, October, November, and December.
Okay, good.
And I did that last year, and that gave me that bump. That's why I'm able to, I'm Centurion this year.
Right.
So it worked. It helps.
Yeah, give her a big hand.
It
Good
helps.
job, absolutely.